Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I told you that I will show you how to upload video on Shutterstock. Okay, that will enable you to make $100 per day. Okay, stay with me here. Let me show you how to do that. All right. All right, guys. Like here, this is how you can make upload your content, your picture on this platform. Okay, this is my account. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna click on upload. All right, you can see upload your content, drag and drop your files here, or select multiple files. So you can do drag and drop, but I'm not gonna do that. Let me click on select multiple files. So I'll click here to select it from my system. So I'm gonna select this picture, then click open. Is uploading here. With this platform, you can make money by sharing your affiliate link. This is an easy way to make money online with your smartphone. Alright guys, the next thing I'm gonna do is to click next into another page. Alright, you can see here start adding details. So you need to add details of this picture. Alright, so I'll select this picture. Here is the keyword. You need to add a keyword that describes your picture. I can choose these ones. Okay, then the next thing I'm gonna do now is to add a description. Okay, then I will select a category. I'll click here. Then you can see backgrounds and textures. I'll select this one. The category 2 is optional. Then let me check if there is another thing here. Okay, then I'll click on submit. So when you fill in those things after uploading your content, that is your picture or your video, you need to add the description, category, and the keywords. Okay, these keywords will allow your content to be discovered by buyers. All right, you can see a great job on your first submission. Submit more. No, then let me go back to my dashboard. All right, pending approval. Yes. So guys, this is how you can upload your picture on this platform. Okay, know that after uploading the picture, they have to review your content. If your content is good, then they're gonna approve it, and when they approve it, you now start earning. Okay, if you know that you love this video, give me a thumbs up and click on like. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the bell icon so that you miss any of my videos. Like I told you that on my previous video, I told you that I'm going to show you how you can create a Payoneer account. That's what I'm going to show you on my next video. So subscribe to my channel below by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Bye bye.